Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In 1 minute 1 question. Our today's question is a welding procedure specification. WPS was qualified by conducting a PQT, that is procedure qualification test, in 1G position. Can that WPS be qualified for all position, or can that WPS be used for all positions? So this is a very straightforward question. A WPS was conducted WPS was approved, or WPS was qualified by conducting a procedure qualification test in 1G position. Now the question is very simple, that whether that WPS can be used for all position or it can be used for 1G position only. So I'll give you 2 second time. Please read the options and write the answer in the comment box. Okay, so hopefully you would have written the answer in the comment box. Now I'll give you the correct answer. The correct answer is yes, option 2. Yes, the WPS can be qualified for all position including overhead position, or the WPS can be used for all position including overhead position. Now, how? See, if you will go to ASME section 9, in ASME section 9 QW203, in QW2303 they have mentioned that if a procedure qualification test is conducted in any position like 1G, 2G or any position, the resulting WPS can be qualified for all positions. However, there is a condition that the welding process and electrodes must be appropriate for that position. So a PQT or a WPS qualified in any position can be used for all position, and this is written in QW203. So friends, again I would request you to please join my channel if you have not done it yet. Joining is very simple, very easy, and it costs a very less amount. So anyone can join and help me financially. We have come to an end of our today's video. Thank you very much.